Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today's video is about a great application called Abandoned Cart. This application allows you to collect data from your clients even if they are not taking the final steps of the purchase process. To understand this more, we will go to our store and click on Add to Cart. Then we have now added this product to our cart. We're gonna go proceed to checkout. Then if the client has filled out his information, either all the information or some of them, but he did not click on the next button to complete the purchase process, you will not get the information in the regular basis. But with this application, if the client only enters his name, we will get it without him confirming or clicking the next button. So first of all, go to market.storeino.com and you will find the abandoned cart application here. It is free. Click on it and click here. Then you need to log in to your store. After you log in, select the store you want to activate the app on. I'm gonna select my store and click on Get the app, then install. Now the application is installed. I'm gonna click OK and go back to my dashboard, then head to Applications. You will see the abandoned cart application has been added to your apps here. Click on Activate. Now the application has been activated. Let's test the application. Click on Show Store. Then add a product to the cart and click on the cart here. Then proceed to checkout and fill out some information. Then do not complete the purchase and get back to the store like this. Now if you go back to the dashboard and click on the abandoned cart application here, you will see that the information that we have been entered has been now registered in the abandoned cart application. So we can, for example, check the email or the phone number of the client and call him or send him an email to see why he did not complete the purchase. Either there is a reason, for example, the internet has been shut down or some other reason. After you confirm with the client, you can either convert this client or delete it. So if you click on convert like this, then if you already have an existing customer, you can select it here. But this is a new customer. We will go down here and this is the information the customer has been filled out. You can add a note or edit this information or the status also. Then click on next here. Then the billing addresses also, you can change them. Then next to confirm all the information of your client and click on next. Choose cash on delivery, for example, and next. Now you have successfully added a customer into our order to your store like this, as you see right here. Thanks for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.